In this video, I'm doing a little fall decorating, so if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now you know you're in the right place if you want to make decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button down below and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. Now today I am participating in an open invitation challenge, and this challenge is entitled the Fall DIY and Decor Challenge, and it's hosted by a wonderful YouTube sister of mine, Christina of the DIY Mommy. Now, if you've not heard of her channel, I will have a link to her channel down below in the description, along with the proper protocol for collaborations. Now, in this challenge, she just asked us to do a DIY and decorate for fall. So, if you're interested in seeing what I did for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. Now we're going to start here at my front door, my decorating. I have a small porch, as most of you know, and so I try to decorate it as best I can without crowding because it's very small. But this year I'm using the traditional colors and the buffalo check. So I did pick up this buffalo check outside carpet. I got it at Amazon, and then my welcome home. Welcome to our home carpet. I picked it up last year at Burlington's. No, Big Lots, I think. Either Big Lots or at home. Can't remember. I got it last year. And then what I did this year on my door is I purchased this from Big Lots, but I did add my touches of orange to it. And then I added the orange ribbon to go along with what I'm doing for my decor this year. I really like it. I added some orange pumpkins in it, and then the ribbon to have it, go along with my theme. Now I'm going to turn around and let you see the other side of my small porch. My chair, I put my orange pillow back in it, and then my pot people, I gave her a new hairstyle. She has a fall hairstyle, and then I put out my flag with the buffalo check on the bottom. And the W is for our last name. So I did a small porch decor. Like I said, it's very small here. Here's my porch. I only have room basically for one chair for everybody to fit on the porch. But I think it's cute anyway. I did do a little something to make it more fallish when you come to the door. But I'm pleased with what I did. For my buffalo check and fall decor. So I hope you enjoyed my very short video of showing you my front porch, trying to get in with the fall season. I try to participate in all the DIY mom challenges because they are always a lot of fun and make you think of different things to try. So here is my fall porch, and I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, leave me some comments down below of what you think of my small decor. And as always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying, and you be blessed.